the second part of decimals. In the first part, I have made clear the fact that 10 can be expressed as 2 into 5. 100 can be expressed as 2 2s and 2 5s. Similarly, 1000 can be written as 3 2s and 3 5s. We use this idea for this problem also. Come to the question. A 2-digit number divided by another 2-digit number gives 5.875. What are the numbers? Now you know this decimal number can be written as a fraction. We can write 5.875 to be equal to 5,875 divided by 1000. It is because decimal point is before 3 numbers. So I wrote the number divided by 1000. Do you understand? We have to simplify this fraction so as to get a 2-digit number. For that, you have to write the factors of 5,875. Let us write the prime factors of the number. So divide 5,875 by 5. What do you get? 1 5 is 5. Again 1 5 is 5. 3 balance. 7 5s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Again it ends with 5. So you can very well divide this number by 5. You get 2 5s are 10. 1 balance. 3 5s are 15. 2 balance. 5 5s are again 25. Again the number ends with 5. So you divide the number by 5. 4 5s are 20. 7 5s are 35. Now 47 is a prime number. It cannot be factorized further. So we can write 5875 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into the prime number 47 divided by, we know 1000 can be written as 3 2s and 3 5s. So I will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now you have 3 5s in the numerator as well as in the denominator. It can be cancelled. So what remains here? You get 47 in the numerator and 2 into 2 into 2, 8 in the denominator. But our question is a 2-digit number divided by another 2-digit number. So what you have to do to make 8 to be a 2-digit number, we can multiply the denominator with 2 so as to get a 2-digit number. In that case, multiply the numerator also by 2, so you get 94 divided by 16, which is the answer for the question. Look at the question in the next exercise. For each of the fractions below, find fractions with denominators powers of 10 getting closer and closer to it, and hence write the decimal form. You are given 3 questions. I am just discussing the first one. Now by looking at the denominator, you can understand 3 cannot be made into a power of 10 directly. So we use a different method. See how I am going to do the question. First of all, take this fraction 2 by 3 and multiply and divide it by 10. 2 by 3 into 10 in the denominator into 10 in the numerator also. This is equal to, you can write it as 1 by 10 into, see I have taken this 10 first. Now 2 into 10 gives you 20 divided by 3. Do you understand? Next step, we can write 1 by 10 within bracket. This 20 by 3 is a improper fraction. We can convert this into a mixed number, isn't it? So in 20, you know there are 6 threes. So I can write it as 6 threes are 18, balance is 2. So I can write this fraction as 6 plus 2 by 3. Is it clear, children? 20 by 3 is nothing but 6 threes are 18, remainder 2. So I wrote it as 6 plus 2 by 3. Now you multiply each of these fractions with 1 by 10. So what do you get? You get 1 by 10 into 6 gives you 6 by 10 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 10 gives you 2 by 30. Otherwise, you can write this 2 by 3 because we started with 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3 minus 6 by 10 is equal to, I took this 6 by 10 to this side, you get this is equal to 2 by 30. That is, from the fraction 2 by 3, if you subtract 6 by 10, you are getting a very small fraction, that is 2 out of 30. Okay, now let us write this fraction 2 by 3 using the denominator 100, for which you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. Okay, see how I am going to write. We can write 2 by 3 into 100 in the numerator into 100 in the denominator. As you wrote 1 by 10, we can write this as 1 by 100. So within bracket, what do you get? You get 2 into 100. 200. Denominator is just 3. What is your next step? You can write 1 by 100 into 200 divided by 3. You know 6 threes are 18, 2 balance, 6 threes are 18. So you can write it as 66 2 by 3. Now as we did here, multiply this fraction with both these numbers. So you get 1 by 10 into 66. 66 by 100 plus 2 by 300. Or otherwise, 2 by 3 minus 66 by 100 will be equal to 2 by 300. Now compare these two fractions. 2 by 3 minus 6 by 10 gives you 2 by 30. 2 by 3 minus 66 by 100 gives you 2 by 300. Now, if you multiply and divide the fraction 2 by 3 with 1000, you will be able to write 2 by 3 minus 666 by 1000 is equal to 2 by 3000. This you work out. Okay, did you understand? The fractions 6 by 10, 66 by 100, 666 by 1000 get closer and closer to 2 by 3. So we can write the decimal form of 2 by 3 to be equal to 2 by 3 to be equal to, either you can say it is 0.6 or you can say it is 0.66 etc. or you can write it as 0.666 etc. This is how we write the decimal form, which is getting closer and closer to 2 by 3.